Hey guys, your old pal Brian. Has he?
Yeah, it says, is it raining? It says drizzle. It's like,
Coming out.
but we're flying anyway.
It was nice to see him yesterday. Taking off.
Yeah, so I don't know if I want the big, the regular 6 iPhone or the big fucker.
Get the big fucker.
Take the big fucker, huh? The 6 Plus, I think they call it.
Yeah, if you can afford it.
Yeah, it's gonna cost me an extra 100 instead of 2. It's gonna cost me 3. Damn, the rain's. You're gonna fuck up your plane.
Yeah, I gotta
bring it in.
Landing. The motor's
when
actually.
it's like this, you don't want to fuck. There's just too much shit getting wet.
The motor actually tolerates it pretty well, but now I worry about the radio.
The radio, the servos, because you got landing gear.
Landing. I got to do something here. I made a mistake. I took off in low rates, and what I need to do.
Flying nice.
Yeah, it does. I actually trimmed it out yesterday rather nicely.
Just in time for the rain to get harder too. Beautiful.
What I need to do is, come on, sweetheart.
You need to get out of the fucking rain.
Okay, guys. Ugh. Got in some good flying, though.
Yeah, I guess I should call over there and see if they have the phone I'm looking for. I already backed up my phone this morning. That's what took me so long.
Is that what you were doing?